Here are the directions for completing and formatting your final religion in your World's Fair country assignment. First thing you need to do is you need to have this assignment open along with your rough draft of your religion in your World's Fair country assignment. Your rough draft currently has all the information that you need in order to complete the final religion sheet. Essentially, all you're going to do is copy and paste the information on here to your final version and then format it correctly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the name of our country. Then we're going to fill in every other place where we see parentheses. So we're going to paste the religion names and percentages. We're going to get those back over here. We're going to paste it over this entire thing, getting rid of the parentheses as well. We're going to do the same exact thing for every other thing on here. So when it says information on the most practiced religions in the United States, we're going to go to our section here where it says information on biggest religions, and whatever you have in here, you're going to copy and paste, replacing this entire section here. And you do the same thing with the importance of religion. So we're just going to paste in the percentages that we have. So for yes in the United States, we're going to go down. We see we have 69%. So we're going to copy that. And 31% for no. And then we have to fill in this part that says state how important religion is in your country. This means that in general, religion, and I already have a sentence in here, so I'm going to copy this paste that says is moderately important in the United States according to these percentages. And we're going to replace this entire part here. Finally, we're going to put in the role of religion in the United States. That is also on the sheet here, and you got this from your World's Fair handout in the first place. Now you have all the information in here. Now that we have all the information in, we need to format it correctly. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that all of the fonts on here are Arial. So we're going to highlight everything, and we're going to click Arial. Next, we're going to make sure that everything is the same size. For something like this, it is doable to have the font as 14. So everything except for this top part here, which is 18, is going to be made into the 14 size font. And the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to get rid of any unnecessary spaces. So first we're going to highlight everything and make sure that the spacing is single space. Then we're going to make it so there's one space in between the title and the actual information. And then we're going to get rid of unnecessary space in between sections. So we'll get rid of some spaces here. Get rid of some spaces here. And finally, we want to make sure that everything is the same color. So anything on here that's gray, we want to make sure that it's black instead. So now everything should be the same color once we make everything black. Again, you want to make sure that everything on here is on the same page, just like the World's Fair handout.